Welcome back to Overheat, the gorgeous Lamborghini Motorhome of 2026. Symbolic External Design, sharp aerodynamic lines, designed to maximize aerodynamic performance. These lines preserve the aggressive Lamborghini appearance. Lamborghini's iconic Y-shaped LED headlights give off a futuristic, instantly identifiable appearance. Scissor Doors, Lamborghini's recognizable scissor doors, guarantee a remarkable appearance wherever they are installed, adding a dash of drama and luxury. Low stance, the car's low stance gives it a dynamic look while improving performance and stability. High-tech, luxurious interior. Roomy, versatile living area. With a foldable carbon fiber bed and concealed storage spaces, the ingenious interior design makes the most of available space. High-tech kitchenette. With its contemporary style and high-end appliances, this kitchenette makes it easy to prepare meals on the road. Advanced infotainment system, smooth connectivity and enjoyment are provided via a large touchscreen and voice control driven by AI. Reclining leather seats, providing exceptional comfort on lengthy trips. Each seat has its own entertainment system. AI-powered voice assistant, use basic voice commands to operate every aspect of your car, including the windows, doors, lighting, and temperature. Safety and performance, strong hybrid engine. By striking a balance between power and fuel economy, the hybrid engine system provides exceptional performance over a variety of terrains. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system guarantees exceptional handling and dependable traction in any road situation. Adaptive air suspension provides a steady and comfortable ride by adjusting to the circumstances of the road. Superior driver support features, a 360 camera system, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance improve safety and maneuverability. Superior stopping force and dependable braking performance are provided by carbon ceramic brakes. Extra features, long-distance travelers can travel with energy independence thanks to solar panels and regenerative energy systems.